Yeah, we gotta cross the line.
Say Grant's first Easter egg hunt out in California. Say hi.
You ready? Let's go. Grant's gonna get a little head start here. You ready to go, buddy? We have to work on crossing the line. Come on. You can cross it. Mommy crossed it. I don't want to. Make me proud, little man. I'm sorry. Here. Yeah. Grant.
Yeah.
There, don't go yet.
I'm not.
Come here, Grant. All right.
He's not doing it.
Come here.
They tried to make an easy one for him.
No, I just want to watch it.
He's not doing it. He's just standing there. He's like, what's going
Come here,
on?
buddy.
Grant.
Like 10 minutes.
Try to get one at least.
And we're going for the flowers. I'll take two. No, he found the flowers.
Yeah, he found the good stuff.
What's that?
I'm sorry.
You want to put that in the bag? Put it in here.
He's like, I think I'm going to hold it.
Yay!
Like, say what?
Way to go. Get the money. Let's grab this one. Look at this.
Put $1 down there.
If you guys are running, just remember he's out there.
Grant.
Megan's not the youngest now. We can push her down.
Okay. Let's do these. Move. Come here.
It's so funny. He doesn't ever stand
No
still.
money.
And he's come out here and he's like,
Candy.
Come here.
It's like, no, I like the flowers. I'm staying right here.
So we got 3 eggs and counting.
Yay!
Come on. Look at those.
happened to me one year. I dropped
What about this one?
back and picked him up, and I was like,
You have to cross the line.
And then run behind them.
yeah.
Put it inside.
Doing all the work for me.
Put it in. Drop it. You get. Yay! 4 down, 400 to go. Come on.
Grant.
Funny because he's not getting the ones that are flat out there. He's going for the hidden ones. He's like, this is really trippy, Mom.
I just like the flower.
Yeah, I just like the flowers. So funny.
I know the pretty flowers.
Maybe we just gotta bring him and drop him outside when he's all hyper. Uh-oh. Come here. You want to put this one in the bag?
Nope. Be a hard ball.
Yay! So we got 5 eggs. And now we're gonna open one.
He wants to open it now.
No. Let's put it back in the bag.
That one has the $100 bill in it.
I don't think so.
Probably maybe now. One of the eggs
Seriously.
It's his first time.
Grant.
Hey, looky. Look at Mama.
Over here, buddy.
Grant.
Uh-oh.
He wants to go back in.
Look at Mama. Yes.
Wait, don't let him get trained.
Right. I guess.
Okay, go.
I was gonna say midget, but no.
One on your mark. Get
No.
set, go.
Hey, you want to put this one in?
I got a big one.
Put it in. Yay!
And they're off.
Yay!
Come here.
Grant, let's find an egg. Grant, look over here. Look in there.
Oh, what's in there?
There's eggs.
Grab
There's
some.
2.
Go get the egg, Grant.
There's two in there, buddy.
Yeah, he's moving at a really slow
He
rate.
is gonna get it.
He's pacing himself.
Yay!
Hey.
Oh, look, where's the bag?
He sticks his
Here,
hand in the
Grant.
garbage.
Oh,
I
look.
don't know why this would be a problem.
Put it in the bag. Whoa, yay!
I'm not touching that.
Yay!
Keep going, buddy.
Oh, there's a good
Keep
one.
looking. There's some over there.
Yay!
Grant, look
Way to
here.
go. Grant.
Over here.
Grant, look.
Over here, buddy.
He's got to cross the line. Oh, I didn't tell you about the line thing, right?
Grant, look.
Come here, buddy.
Come on, get it. Come on, get it.
Come here.
Here, Grant. Come on, get it. See that one there. He's got to go that one.
Look at that bunny.
Come on, get the bunny.
Come here, buddy.
Come on, get the bunny.
Big guy.
You can't cross that line.
He's getting so he's putting them in the thing though.
Yeah, he's put a couple in.
4. He put 4 in.
Here, you want to
Yeah, want to hold my hand?
take that? Put it in. Yay!
All right. Good
High five.
boy.
High five. Does he do high five? He does it with my mom all the time.
Okay. High five up
wow.
high, down low.
We're working on the down low more.
Here's one you can reach, Grant.
Oh, that doesn't stop him.
We got one out of here for him, but Grant, look.
Where is it?
Look at here. Here's the egg. Look at the egg. Whoa.
Come on. You want to hold my hand? Seriously. You're like a bat out of hell. Every day.
Let's see.
Let's go get that purple
Come on, let's
egg.
get the purple egg. Oh, yeah. Come on, you want to get it? Get the purple egg, Grant. Oh, look at that one. Can you get that one?
Some can be unfair for tall people.
Can you get that one, Grandma?
Drop it in.
Yay! Good boy. Good
Way to
boy.
go. Here, let's grab this one too.
Let's get this one.
Here, you want to put this one in?
Yay!
Oh, good score.
There must be some over here. Flip over here.
Come here, buddy.
Let's see any other low ones that he can grab.
I think those have all been kicked over.
We got searchers down the aisle.
Oh, Grant! Come here! Oh, come on. Your fingers.
Oh,
Come here, buddy.
Oh, look at this one, Grant.
Come here.
Here's another one. Purple.
No, we don't get to open and close the door. Look at that one has a string.
Whoa.
Yay.
My goodness.
Come here.
He needs help crossing the line. Oh, wait, he did that one.
Yeah, he did.
Come here.
It's getting better. Grant! I'll put it right here. Let him put it in. Grant!
Look in there, Casey. Look in there. Well, you don't know. Look in there. I know that I put some in there a year ago.
Hey, Grant!
I wasn't Grant this year, but I did it last year in there.
He just likes the flowers.
He loves that flower.
I think I would look. I think I don't know.
I know.
I know where to look.
Here.
Okay. Good to see you.
Look what's hiding in the flower. You want to put it in the basket? Here. Can you help me? Yay!
Yay.
Another one. Yay!
I think I would look by the pig. By the pig. Pig. That was a pig. What pig?
What's up, buddy?
Way up on the pig's wing.
Well, I think, yeah, Mercedes and...
Mercedes got them. Yeah.
I'm going to turn it off.
Kind of random. I don't
Boy, Mark's doing a good search over here. Thank you, Frank.
Oh. He's banged his head on that.